Hey guys, welcome back to the Inglot Australia YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be talking about our YSM cream foundation. It's a light to medium coverage with a very matte finish. I recommend using this product on normal skin to oily combination skin types. I'll be applying this on Cody's skin today. We'll be doing a full ace to the base, and I'll talk through some features and benefits about the product as well. So first, I'm just applying a liquid illuminator in shade 70 all over the face, and we're going to be using this as a primer. It's a silicone gel and a very fast drying formula. This product can be used on any skin type as it is oil free. It'll just add a really nice fresh glow to the skin. I'm now applying the YSM foundation with my 21T brush. This product is hypoallergenic and paraben free. I recommend this product for normal skin types or oily to combination skin types. It has such a silky consistency and really glides on the skin easily. It's really lightweight and it doesn't feel like you're wearing a heavy coverage makeup. I would say it gives a light to medium coverage. You can build it up to a fairly full coverage, but it wouldn't be as full coverage as, say, our HD foundation. The biggest benefit of this product is that if you have oily combination skin and you do get shiny throughout the day, this foundation will keep you nice and matte because of the mattifying agents. I'm now just going in with my Duo Fiber Brush 27TG, and I'm just going to really buff this into the skin. This is going to give a really nice airbrush effect. Now I'm just going in with our under eye concealer to hide any dark circles under the eyes. Because of its special ingredients, it's got ash tree bark extract and vitamin B3 and E. It's really going to even out small wrinkles, camouflages any eye puffiness, and it doesn't dry out the delicate skin around your eye area. Set all of this, I'm using our HD Illuminizing Loose Powder. Because it contains HD pigments and diamond dust, it's going to give a really nice glow to the skin, but isn't going to look super heavy. So that's it for the foundation, powder and concealer. So now it's time to add a bit of contouring and highlight. For the contour, I used our multicolored bronzer in shade 80. To deepen this a little bit more, I went in with our sculpting powder in shade 508. I used the same sculpting powder to just contour her nose a little bit. To make this look a little bit more dewy, I added a Freedom highlighter in shade 153. Over the top of that, I applied the Sparkling Dust in shade 07. For a little bit of colour on the apples of the cheeks, I used the Freedom Face Blush in shade 29. So that's it for today's video. The YSM Cream Foundation retails for $35 and is available in stores and online. If you would like to know more features and benefits of our other products, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Inglot Australia YouTube channel.